Have you ever tried to visit a website and you get a notification like this that you need an access code for you to be able to access the website? Sounds strange, right? I'll show you how this is done. Now, this is a plugin we created in the AlphaBank script. Now, this is our AlphaBank script. As you can see, now there is something we call the site lock. The site lock is a plugin which can be added very simple without any difficulty into the AlphaBank script to give you the features of limitation where no one can access the website. Nobody at all can access the website until you provide a passcode for the person to get through. Not even the web crawlers, nothing can access the website. So now, as you can see, we created a code here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before one can access this website, they must provide that code. Now let's provide the code here and see what happens. You can see it has loaded successfully. So this is what this particular plugin can do for you. So all you need to do is to enable it and set a passcode. Then if there's some particular page you don't want the passcode to affect, you can actually indicate it by here. You can actually indicate it here. If there are some pages you don't want it to be affected, then you click on save changes and that is it. So this is something very simple. Something very simple. You must have the access and the AlphaBank script before you can actually use this. So if you love this feature, you don't have the AlphaBank script, you can actually get the AlphaBank script and it comes together with this. Thank you so much. I hope you actually love this.